Hello everyone, this is Mark Weiss and welcome to the Amplifier Experts YouTube channel, where we hope to do a weekly vlog of our adventures here at the bench at Amplifier Experts. Well, this is a Sano amplifier from the 1960s.
Oh, so what's wrong with it?
Nothing major. Customer wants some scratchy pots cleaned, which I already did.
Mm-hmm.
And wants a 3-prong grounded power cord, which I just put on. And possibly a recap. Alright. So, I'm going to bring this up slowly. Wow, 15 watts. $17 watts at clipping. Alright, let's see how channel 2 looks. I think we have a bad connection somewhere. That explains that. Okay. Response of the amplifier. Turn the treble control up or down. And here's the effect of the bass control. Okay, well that's interesting. What about the other channel? Pretty much the same. Well, just needed some light TLC, basically.
Is it working now?
Yeah, the amp seems to be working fine.
So what did you do?
Clean the pots, clean the input jacks, put on a grounded power cord, get rid of the def cap. So we've let this cook for a while. The cap is running nice and cool. And no problems with any of the tubes overheating. So it looks like this amplifier is operating pretty much the way it should be. And we can probably put it back in its case and meet the customer's deadline for this week. To the cabinet.
What's going on now?
Ouch. That's what's going on. Alright, now I gotta try to Try to get these. Okay, that's one. These slotted screws are not exactly ideal for okay. Now let's see. Maybe this channel's got the effect. The other channel is dry. Well, looks good to me. Okay, so we put a new power cord, grounded 3-prong outlet, and let the unit run for about an hour. Check for heating of the capacitors. None found, so the capacitors are still good. Cleaned all the potentiometers, which were scratchy. Cleaned up a few connections, and basically that's about it. Thank you for watching our Amplifier Experts on YouTube. And if you like what you see, click subscribe and hit the bell for notifications.